Hey guys, well today I'm going to be working on the bad boy, the 2020 Renegade X 900 Turbo. I have my heated helmet wire on the dash ain't working, and I also bought a 12-volt plug to install under the dash there in the glove box, and that's what we're going to do today. So stay tuned guys, we're going to get it done. Well, today I bought the 12-volt plug and the new wire. I don't know why it's not working, but I'm gonna put the new wire in anyway. And yeah, it seems pretty easy. Let's check it out. Also bought a pair of gloves. Nice leather ones. I got my big lighting system out. Hope you guys can see. First thing we're gonna do is remove these. Gonna remove the windshield. Now I got a T25 torque 25. Start by removing these bolts here, one on each side. These have washers. Don't lose the washers. And remember where you put them. The other one is over here. Now you got two up on top, just underneath your glove box. This just pops off. The other one's here. Now, glove box comes out. Now, this just pops off. Gotta unplug these. This little red thing, you gotta pull it down. Push in this, just pop it off. And this one here just slides off. So after you unplug the dash, remove it. Now you gotta unplug the headlights. Mine unplugged from here because I got LEDs. Both sides. Now, you got two more torques over here. Need one here and one here. Let's take them off. I'm just gonna remove this cover. Probably don't have to, but give myself more room. Now I'm gonna have to remove this right here. Now, this should come right off.
Bounce Radio with Joan Jett. Come 2022, you could soon be seeing her on collectors' shelves.
Now we gotta pop this off. So we have this here. Gotta push that in. And this just pops right off. That's it. Well, I just removed this and realized there is no plug. Whoever had this cut the wires and connected it, which I don't like. But let me take this off and see what's going on here anyway. Well, I got some connectors. Just gonna put them on. Hopefully this thing works. Well, put some new connectors on. Looks pretty good. Now, I gotta cut this off, which I really don't like to do, but might as well. I'm gonna cut this off and connect it up. And hopefully everything works proper. Well, there we go. I got my connectors. I got all my plugs hooked up. Not liking the idea I got connectors in there, but hopefully it works. If not, I'll just figure something else. I'll go buy the right auxiliary connector and try to hook it up, or first I'm gonna see if this works. Like I said, luckily I had these connectors in the drawer. Now I need some heat to melt those down, tie them up with some tape, and put it back together. Nothing's ever easy for me. I don't know why. I see people doing it on YouTube. Man, everything just snaps in. Poop, 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 poop. Just on my luck. Well, guys, if you guys are like me, that always run into these problems, leave a message. Well, got it all taped up. Like new. Now, let's get back to this. So this, now, plugs in right here. This goes through here. This grounds itself. This goes in like this. Don't ground it anywhere. Just put it in like that and goes in the back. Just like that. See? This just screws in the top. Before you tighten it, just position this in a good spot. Right there. Well, that's on nice.
And not that this should come as a surprise from any bands, let alone one that's been together for over 50 years, but Keith Richards says that he and Mick Jagger are closest, not when they're off stage in the green room, but rather on it, playing music. That's when they're most deeply connected.
Well, I have to run the 12-volt wire through here. And I can snap it back on. Just make sure the front is clipped on. Everything slid on nice. Let me tell you guys, SKIDOO got some pretty good engineers in there. Everything just slides back on and off. Perfect. Well, I just installed the 12-volt plug. Just put it in, and in the back you have this thing that you just screw it on tight, and that's it. That's pretty simple. Now that's it. Just plug everything back in the same way. Top 2 screws, side screws. Don't forget your air intake. I have a rag in there. Don't forget to put a rag in there. You don't want anything falling in. And don't forget to take it out, because it just won't start.
Everyone a Merry Christmas, and they look forward to serving you in the new year.
This past year has been challenging, with many of us facing unexpected expenses, lost wages, and rising credit.
For Christmas, which they released in 1978, that actually became the first Christmas song to reach the top 20 in 15 years. We'll get to them after...
Well, guys, it's all back together, and look at that. 12 volts working, heat advisor's working. I guess I did a good job. Well, guys, got another video for you guys out. So it's gonna be coming out soon. So stay tuned and catch you guys later.